Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing us easy way on how to cut a scallop neckline and a queen Anne neckline. The first thing is to measure your neck width. The neck width I'm using for this is 4 inches and I'll be using a neck depth of 8 inches. Now mark your neck width of 4 inches. Then come down by 8 inches to mark the neck depth. From that point where you marked the neck depth, you mark the 4 inches for the neck width. Then we'll connect it together. After connecting it together, from the top you mark 2 inches. And from that point you mark another 2 inches. You also mark another 2 inches. Then connect each to form a straight line. On the first line, you go in by 1 inch and mark. On the second line, you go in by 2 inches, then mark. On the third line, you go in by 3 inches. Then you mark that again. You can use anything you have that is curved to connect it together, or you can also use your free hand. Then I'll connect each of the points to each other. Then connect the last one to the 4 inches you measured earlier. Ignore that line that you are seeing. That's not where you are connecting it to. That was the 3 inches I measured earlier for the shoulder slope. So you are connecting it to the 4 inches width. That's the last line. And that's it for this scallop neckline. So now I'll cut it out. So here we have our scalloped neckline. The next neckline I'll be showing us is the Queen Anne neckline. For these, I'm using the width of 3 inches. Depending on how wide you want yours to be or how low you want it to be, you use the appropriate measurement. So for this particular neckline, I'm using 3 inches by 7 inches. 3 inches for the width and 7 inches for the depth. Then I come up by 3.5 inches. At that point where I measure 3.5 inches, you go in by 4 inches. Depending on how wide you want it to be, you can make it more than 4 inches for your own neckline. Then I'll connect the points together. And from that point, you connect like a sweetheart to your 7 inches. You can use a curve there. I used my free hand. And that's it for our Queen Anne neckline. I'll cut it out now so you can see the finished look. So now this is the Queen Anne neckline. Depending on how wide or how low you want yours to be, you apply your measurements accordingly. In my next video, I'll be showing us how to make other types of neckline. If there's any neckline you want me to illustrate next, please drop it in the comment section and I'll do that in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.